So we're down to 5 instead of 10. But she's had this 5 for about a week. So maybe this is what her manageable number is. But I've been doing some clearing here. I'm going to take out that cluster of trees, these couple trees. Getting some flat ground here. I'm going to end up putting a hole in the wall here. And I'm going to frame this in with chicken wire. I may end up, like in this coop, I put repurposed plywood on here we used for the concrete forms. I'll probably box this in, just them 2 walls there, but I got them 3 meat birds that just started laying eggs that will keep around to raise our own meat birds. So I think they're gonna come inside here instead of building a whole nother chicken coop. I think I can pig feed, chicken plucker, the battery system for the solar. I think just this corner, that's probably close to 3 foot by 3 foot. But I think if I put a big perch in across here and a couple buckets on the back wall for laying eggs, actually with only 2 females, I could probably get away with just 1 bucket. But I'll keep you updated. I think this will be pretty close to getting their cage in. I'll do some weed whacking in a minute, but I got their door hole in. Got to get all that secured and get a ramp put on and start moving fence over here. But they got about a 3x3 run. There's a tree limb in there they can roost on. 1 little nesting box. Looks like she's setting up already.